Hey everybody, it's Dr. Higgins, aka Dr. Bahamas, and I'm here with my lovely wife, Leela.
Hi there.
On our previous video, you saw that we had started to make the decision to use this house as our studio. Leela's gonna be doing the cooking show, Share and Serve, and I'm gonna also be doing my show, the Dr. Bahamas show on fitness, health, wellness, finances, and family. And we decided after the walkthrough that this is where the podcast area is actually gonna be. And Leela, along with some ideas from other YouTubers and ChatGPT, has come up with a great theme for how we're gonna do the decoration.
Right, so we're gonna be working on this space mainly today. We're gonna do some unpacking of some appliances and things that I got for the kitchen. I wanna get some like green going on in there, a nice painting. So we're gonna show you guys quickly soon how we're gonna unpack and put this together to serve in this space in here.
So again, today we're gonna do some unboxing. We're gonna carry you on this journey and you're gonna see how we transform it from just this empty, bland space to hopefully a studio set that you enjoy and we can share our views, our life, and our ministry with you.
Yay, so stay tuned.
Let's get into it.
We're gonna start right now.
All right, guys, we're gonna go unload the car now. Come along with us.
We got some painting supplies in here. I'm super excited about this wall. I picked a color that I think is gonna complement the green very well.
Yeah, so like I told y'all, I had to have a lot of faith when I bought this house. So
It's exciting, it's exciting.
it's very exciting.
So many good things going on in here. For the cooking, for the talking.
Okay, go on then. All right, so listen everybody, I gotta run down to the local hardware store so I can get some more equipment to finish our project. And in the meantime, Leela will do some unboxing while I go to buy some additional tools.
Yep, so we got some inspirations in here that we got. This is kind of like what I'm looking to do, like a green space in there with some paint color. Yeah, we're gonna unpack that and see how it goes. Okay, so because we are not going to be here very often, at least not throughout the week, but I still wanted to add some green to it, some plants. I ended up getting these ones that only need water once a month. It's a pretty cool system. This is my first time getting this type of easy plant, so we'll see how that works. Okay, so this is pretty cool. You're supposed to put water in here. Like I said, this is new to me. So you're supposed to put water in there and it's just gonna take care of the plant itself. So we have a nice plant welcome us here when we come. That's gonna be for the podcast space. So we got that one. So we got the second one in here. This one is one of my favorite ones because it reminds me like of Bahamas, where my husband is from, with a little tropical vibe. So I wanted to get a little touch in there. So let's see, it's a lot of, I think we need to put some water in here before we go today because they're feeling pretty dry. They got delivered to the other house and I didn't want to fill it up with water because I didn't want them to urine themselves, to pee-pee in their pants. Okay, and then we got this nice stand in here. I'm just gonna put them in there for the moment while we paint that wall. But at least they know this is their home now. There you go. Looking beautiful. And this one we got from the same company to complement the look. Just gonna improvise here with my tools because my husband just went to get a toolbox for us because we forgot it at home, even though we were supposed to be installing things. But that worked. Oh, so cute. Come on. Beautiful. Yeah, cute, cute, cute.
Yeah, all right, we gotta do some painting stuff. Of course, I hardly ever come to Home Depot. It's just not what I do. I'm not like a weekend handyman guy. But for this project, I gotta do most of the work. Just walking through the aisles, looking for the stuff that my wife needs me to get. This challenge with me when I get into a store like this is I get excited. I see all the shiny tools, and I'm like, oh yeah, I should buy that and I should buy this. But I know it's just gonna sit in the garage somewhere after the project, and I probably won't use it. So I got the paint supplies. Hopefully I did the right thing. You just never know, but I got it all. So I'm gonna soon be heading to checkout.
So like I was saying, because we're not gonna be here for the most of the time, and I really like my house to always smell nice and fresh, I went and go ahead and indulge in this system in here that I've been seeing a lot on Instagram, to be honest with you all. I don't even know if it works, if it's a scam, but hey, we'll find out and I'll let you guys know. If any of you have used it and you love it, just comment down below. If you guys know something better than this, comment down below. We're all here learning together. My husband is like, really? Do we really need that? I'm like, we don't really need it, but it will be a nice welcoming. You know, when you get home, you just want the fresh smell of your house. That's what I'm trying to look for in here. Okay, does this have instructions? No, I think it's pretty straightforward. I got the Santorini because I put woodsy smell. And well, I think it's pretty straightforward. I think it's like a plug-in. Okay, I can smell the woodsy nuts in it. Let's see how it is in real life. If it's gonna slap me in my face when I walk in the house with the smell. If it's gonna be like, did I just wasted all those dollars? I hope no. I don't know if I'm supposed to press anything. I'm just gonna leave it there for the time being. Ooh, cool. Okay, this one in here is supposed to be the green wall with the leaves to create that oasis space. Smells like plastic a lot. You gotta be real. This isn't real life. This isn't real plants. But listen, if the Pura scent doesn't hit me when I come home, this for sure will hit. Let's see which one overtakes first. It's supposed to go in this wall. So this is where we are going to create this wall, and that's where I needed him also to go because I forgot to bring the nails. So we're gonna nail this to the wall. I don't know if I have enough of this, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so the idea is to have half of the wall with that green thing, and then the other half I'm gonna do like a shade of blue. So on the other section of the wall is gonna be like, let's say, a nice shade of blue, kind of like not too aqua, not too dark, just a nice balance. You know, giving the Bahamas vibe again, doing honor to my husband's homeland. And we're gonna put shells, which is this in here that I'm opening. Listen, all of this, I have never bought them before. I don't own none of these things in my other house. So if it's a fail, it's a fail for all of us. Oh, it looks nice. So we're gonna put them like in here with a nice background, put some decoration tailored to what he's gonna be talking about or what he believes in. Okay, so we're gonna be working on this space in here for the podcast, for Dr. Bahamas, and all of the good things that he has in his studio. I'm gonna be taping this so we can paint the wall. I don't wanna be staining the baseboard too much. Okay, let me tape a little bit of in here. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's just to avoid the splash of the roller in the paint. You know, I have come a long way, you all. I have come a long way. The Lord has brought me a long way. Not me myself, but the Lord. I used to paint construction house out there in the heat of Florida, so I have a little bit of knowledge in there. So we're gonna be there doing the wall in here, the paint. A little household hiccup. I guess I didn't measure what I needed, so we're gonna have to order more of these guys. So the idea is to bring it all the way up to the wall, to the ceiling. So that is gonna have to be there on a standby. But today we're just gonna start like at least with the first coat of paint and see where that takes us. So let's pile this up so it doesn't get wet. What are them plants, baby? You're doing so good in there. Okay, I think I need the okay, we're gonna improvise in here. Make sure that we don't splash these floors. Let's see if we show the way up to the top. Yeah, we're gonna have to stop right there because another hiccup. I don't have a ladder big enough. This is the color. If you guys can see it. I'm very excited about it. It's been years since I haven't painted.
It is getting me involved to take off these panels.
Manpower.
My wife does all the painting. She doesn't trust me. It's okay.
I'm the professional.
She's a professional painter.
I am.
She probably told y'all she used to paint new construction houses.
I'm gonna bring, can you bring me another piece of cardboard to put the paint on top, please?
Yes, my love.
Thank you. Dear. Oh, so beautiful. I love it. See, it doesn't give you like kind of like a Bahamian vibes, baby?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah,
A
kind
little
of
bit
like,
of Bahamian vibes.
yeah, it's not aqua blue like your oceans. But, what do you say?
Yeah.
It gives the vibe. You know,
Little bit.
Representing
Little bit.
Bahamas. Yeah? Ready. Ooh. Let's see. Let's leave it like this. Trying to make sure that we don't waste none of it. Let's do it. Let's see how much I remember of this. Get it closer. You ready? The paint on the back. Those guys or girls out there working hard.
We appreciate them.
We appreciate them so much.
Now, this is the strangest thing about at home. At work,
What do you mean?
I save lives. People put their lives in my hands. But at home,
Like a dummy.
I can't do anything. But I will say that she is the expert in this area. It's
You like
beautiful,
this color?
right?
What do you think, baby love?
It's like one of my favorite blues.
It's one of your favorite blues?
Yeah, I like it.
You're trying to get in, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Show your face, girl. Show the world what you're about.
You already got it on your socks.
You already got it on my socks?
Yeah.
How did that happen?
I don't know, sweetheart.
When I got close to the...
Probably. But it looks good. Maybe only one coat?
I think so. Honestly, I think so.
Because the color behind it kind of complements it.
Yes, exactly. It worked like a good primer. Like a good primer. I love it on myself. So much for a professional painter, Dalila. I got too
You need
excited.
water on it?
I just need like
This is-
a... Yes, but if you can...
Wet it?
Yeah, give me the... Yeah. Let's get it like that first. And then...
You get overly aggressive.
Yeah, I really did. I got excited, you. But if you do it quick enough, it shouldn't make too much harm. I gotta do it. I usually wait until it's dry, but I gotta do it quickly because I got a boo-boo. But as Emily will say, oopsie, I made a mistake, but it's okay. Gotta move quick, quick, quick. Love.
Yes, baby love.
I think you made this. You know, I was complaining about how much paint it was absorbing the roller.
Yeah.
It looks great, Mommy.
It looks right, baby.
Listen,
Emily approves.
the way I figure it, I get the bigger brush, so that means fewer strokes to get the job done.
True that.
Yeah.
No, and also actually it doesn't do the
Doesn't splash the floor.
splash the floor. We keep it together.
Yeah.
So that was a good executive
I
decision.
mean, I'm not the
An
professional.
expert.
I'm not an
Of course not.
expert in
No,
painting.
we're nobody's saying that.
But it seemed like it made sense to me.
We're not claiming that. Yeah. Well, you have man with sense, baby.
You got
Trapo
so-
to the rescue! The
Yeah.
Trapo to the rescue! This is so terrible, y'all. I'm so glad they're not paying me anymore for this because, yeah, this is not showcasing my abilities. I'm gonna blame it again on the
Yeah.
on the roller that absorbs too much paint. That I just complimented, baby. The same one.
Ah,
No one did it to him. How terrible that would be, baby, that the roller will fall in your head. This is what it was left after painting that session. I don't want to waste it because we can use it for another project. Okay, so I think we are done for now.
I think so.
Yeah? You
Yes.
think so, right? The paint had a good coverage.
We got good coverage. We just have to do the fine
The
details.
fine details.
But we need more equipment.
On top, yeah. But this is an eggshell, I think that's what the guy say.
Oh, Robin's egg blue
Eggshell. No, no, but the actual, I guess,
color.
finish of the, no, there's
Ah.
different like eggshell, and you know, like
I see.
semi-gloss, gloss,
Gotcha.
flat.
Okay, this is kind of like the texture of the
So this is eggshell,
sheen.
and it has a good, nice coverage. I think I close it enough. No, maybe with your with that.
The hammer,
With the machine.
the machine. Tuk, 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 tuk.
Right here. You have a hammer? Yeah.
I have the hammer. I'm gonna
Okay.
go get it.
Great. You did a good job with the hammer too, baby.
Well, you know, I figured I'd go for value instead of just cheap or cost.
Oh, okay. Well,
Yeah.
this is good. It feels good. It's a good balance. I don't know much about hammers.
Yeah.
But I think your area of expertise are gonna be the tools. I know you complain about all the unboxing with it for the
But don't worry, I'll do what I need to do with the tools.
Yes, but I know you will get a good time.
Yeah.
Some nice tools for this house. Yeah. So this is it for today, friends. We are done with this part of the project. I didn't cut it perfectly here because we're gonna cover it with the green wall. Let's see how it looks. Not to get it too close, but what do you say, girly? Nice. And then we put the shelves in there. Some nice touches with the decor. Then the neon sign in here, baby.
I think so.
You already made up your mind what we're gonna put in there?
Yeah, I gotta put my heart, I gotta put my loops, a
But with
cross,
with
the
the
jujitsu
little-
gloves.
Neon sign though.
Neon sign? Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's what we're gonna do. I haven't quite decided if I'm gonna go Dr. Bahamas or Dr. Higgins Cosmetic and Vascular.
You gotta meditate more about it, pray about it.
Exactly. A little bit more time.
We got a nice cover, blue, in there.
Yeah.
Stay tuned, subscribe, like, follow us.
Yes.
More coming up.